Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals keep crashing and freezing on Windows PC. Make sure to watch the video until the end not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So if you downloaded the game on Steam or Epic Games, it's going to be a very similar process, but for now we're going to use Steam. So I have the game installed right here. You're going to right click on the game from your library and then go to Properties. Once you do that, you're going to disable the Steam overlay while in game. This can cause the game to crash a lot. Then you're going to go to your installed files, and then you're going to choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now just watch out, this might take a little bit of time because you're reinstalling and rechecking all 55 gigabytes of the game because sometimes one of the files might be corrupt and that can lead for the crashing and the freezing for the game. Finally, you can go and press Browse, and then from here you're going to look for the Marvel Rivals underscore launcher.exe, this file right here. Right click it, go to Properties, go to Compatibility, and then click on the Run the Program as Administrator. Once you check this, click on Apply, and then OK. And that will hopefully fix your problem. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.